Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to increase iPhone battery life. If you're using any iPhone and you want to increase your iPhone's battery life, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your iPhone settings app. Now in settings, very first you just have to scroll down and look for the battery option here. So once you get the battery, you just have to select the battery option, and here just go to the battery health, and you'll be able to see your maximum capacity or your battery health here. So now you just have to go back, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled the optimized battery charging feature in your charging settings. So, or you can also set charging limit, but I recommend you have to don't set the charging limit, or you have to enable this toggle. So once you have enabled, just go back from here, go back, and here go for general. Now here you'll get the option of background app refresh. Select that, and you must have to select and turn it off. Once you have turned off, it will disable background battery refresh, background app refresh for all of your apps, or you can also turn it off for some specific apps. So after that, you just have to simply go back from here, and then you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone, not to go back. And one thing you can do, you just have to go to battery section again, and here you can see the battery usage of all of your phone's apps. So here you just have to select any app to change settings for that specific app. Or if you find any app is using more battery, so you just have to disable that background app refresh. So after doing that, you can also enable low power mode for the best battery capacity. So after that, you have to try to make a force restart to fix temporary glitches. So you have to make sure that you are not using any app into your background. So just swipe up and close all recent apps and try to make a force restart. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to try to unlock your phone. After unlocking, you have to go to settings again. Now in your settings, you have to check some settings. So go for battery, and here go for battery health. And you have to make sure that your battery health or your maximum battery capacity is more than 85%. If you are seeing any battery capacity lower than 85%, so you have to try to exchange your iPhone's battery to get better battery performance. Or you can also try to change your iPhone's charger to an original charger if you're using any third party charger to charge your iPhone's battery. So in this way, you can easily increase your iPhone battery life. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.